Your first question is tangents and normals. First question is, you see the tangent to the parabola x square equal to 2y at the point 1 comma half makes with x-axis an angle of 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees. So what you have to do? So here the tangent is the one, curve is the, so we will first draw the curve x square equal to 2y. Then the tangent to the curve at the point. So you can consider this is the tangent at the point. This is a point of contact. This is 1 comma 1 by 2. This makes an angle with the x-axis. So if you consider this curve like this, and if this is your x-axis, this is your x-axis, what is the angle made by this? If theta is the angle made by this line with x-axis, we have studied that m equal to tan theta is the slope of the line. Now you have to find out the slope of this tangent with another way, that is from the equation of the curve. From the equation of the curve, how to get the slope is m is also same as dy by dx at the point of contact. Dy by dx at 1 comma half. Now from where you get dy by dx? It is from the equation of the curve. So what is the equation of the curve is x square equal to 2y, or you can write it also as 2y equal to x square. Differentiating this with respect to x, you get 2 into derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x. So from here you will get dy by dx as 2x by 2, or it is x. So now my dy by dx is x. Now you have to find out x at 1 comma 1 by 2. How to evaluate this is, in place of x you will put 1. So your answer is 1. But your question is, what is theta is? The tangent to the curve, tangent to the parabola at the point 1 half makes with x-axis an angle of. So we are supposing that this tangent is making an angle theta with x-axis. This is your x-axis, and we know m equal to tan theta, and what is theta is. M we have found out in this way also, that is m equal to 1. So we can now write 1 equal to tan theta. So 1 equal to tan theta means theta is equal to 45 degrees. So your answer is 45 degrees. The next question is the slope of the this is your next question. The slope of the normal to the curve y equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x at x equal to 0 is. Here you notice that you have to find out the slope of the normal. So this is your curve, this is your curve, and here is your normal. Slope of the normal to the curve at x equal to 0. So this point of contact is, suppose if it is P, its coordinate are x equal to 0. We do not know what y is. Now we have to find the slope of the normal. This is your normal. And slope of the normal is, slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at P. So from where do we get this dy by dx? From the curve we will get the dy by dx. So you can find from here, on differentiating this with respect to x, derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx, that is equal to, you can write the derivative of 2x square as 2 into derivative of x square, and derivative of x square is 2x. So 2 into 2x, that is 4x, plus 3 into derivative of sin x is cos x. Now at the point, we have to now at the point P you have to find out, and that is equal to minus 1 by you have to see the point P. P is having x coordinate 0, and here you have to put x equal to 0. You will get minus, so it is equal to plus 4 into 0 plus 3 cos 0, and this is minus 1 by 3 into cos 0 is 3. So minus 1 by 3 is the answer. Minus 1 by 3 is the answer. Next one is the slope of the normal to the curve y equal to sin x at 0, 0. So same is the condition here also. You can see here the curve y equal to sin x. Slope of the normal at the point 0, 0. Slope of the normal is minus 1 by dy by dx from and at the point 0, 0. Minus 1 by dy by dx at the point 0, 0. Dy by dx you will get from here. So it is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx is cos x. Dy by dx from where you get is from the equation of the curve. Okay, so dy by dx is cos x, but you have to find out at 0, 0. Now how to evaluate this at 0, 0 is wherever x is coming you have to put 0, wherever y is coming also you have to put 0. But there is no y involved here, so your answer is minus 1 by cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So this also I can explain you children how to find the values of cos and sine functions values. Consider the unit circle, and then this is one unit, this is your 0, 0 origin. So this coordinates are x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 0. This point coordinates are x coordinate 0, y coordinate 1. Here x coordinate minus 1, y coordinate 0. Here you have x coordinate 0, y coordinate minus 1. Now all the first coordinate stands for cos of the angle theta, where theta is central angle, cos theta sin theta. So here the angle is 0, so cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. Here this angle is pi by 2, so cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. Here the angle is pi, so cos pi is minus 1, sin pi, the second element of the ordered pair, that is 0. Then comes 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So whatever it is, the answer is, your answer is minus 1 by 1, that is minus 1. Then the fourth one. The slope of the normal. The slope of the normal to x equal to a into theta minus sin theta, y equal to a into 1 minus cos theta at theta equal to pi by 2. So here a curve is there, immediately you can draw the curve, and slope of the normal at the point theta equal to pi by 2. But what will be that slope equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 2. Now how to get dy by dx? We have the equation of the curve in parametric form. What do you mean by parametric form? The variable x and y are connected through a third variable, and that third variable is here, it is theta. Theta is known as parameter. Now how to find dy by dx when parametric form comes? Dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta, because theta is a parameter. So we can get that value here as dy by d theta, derivative of y with respect to theta. It is a into, differentiating this with respect to theta, I will get a into 1 ka derivative is 0, then minus cos theta's derivative minus sin theta. So we will get minus sin theta plus sin theta, divided by dx by d theta. Differentiate in this equation both sides with respect to theta. So dx by d theta here you will get, that is same as equal to a into derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 minus derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Now we have to actually find dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 2. So what will be this at theta equal to pi by 2? So this at theta equal to pi by 2. That means you have to find out the value of sin theta. Sin theta is, from here you can make out what is sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. So this is a into 1 divided by a into 1 minus cos theta. Theta is pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 means the first coordinate at the angle pi by 2. That is 0. So 1 minus 0. So your answer is here a by a, that is 1. So minus 1 by 1 only. So answer is minus 1. So your answer will be minus 1.